Alright, this is a 2013 Mini Cooper Pac-Man. The easiest way to take the evaporator out is get to 1, 2, 3, and I think there's another fourth bolt on that side. Actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the fan box assembly. 2 on this side, 4 bolts on the bottom, 2 on that side, and you don't have to remove any of this nonsense, which I did. And then it should be loose. Yep. So now we gotta go from the engine bay and take this out. Alright, you can see it was leaking from right there at the bottom. That's where the dye came out. Easy to remove. Just take out the heater core. There's going to be a few bolts on the side. Just take it out from the engine bay. All you have to do is these 2 clips. First you got to take off the box. Don't need to take anything off. Just 2 10s. Move the box over. Take out the 110 for the condenser lines. And then 2 heater hose lines. It's just 1 clip. They're like BMWs. You just pull them out and then you pull the line out. And that's it. Just flooded the engine bay.